How to earn money on Upwork tips. Upwork are 7 steps to help you get started quickly. 1. Define your title. Creating a title for yourself is extremely important because, if done well, you can increase your chances of getting hired. Ideally, your title should be a 2 to 3 word summary of your core strengths, with maybe a few enhancing words on either side. 2. Define your tags. Choosing skills tags is very important because it affects how you are found by potential clients as well as how you are perceived. Luckily, the process can be easily done by brainstorming 10 to 20 words that tie in with your freelance title and then cross-checking these with what successful O-desk freelancers in your field are using. 3. Write a clear description. Writing a description can be easily done after you have made a headline and associated tags. When you write your description, try to present arguments for why someone should hire you by focusing on the best pitches first. Most clients are interested in arguments that focus on quality and bigger return on their investment. 4. Take relevant tests. Taking a few tests that are relevant to the work you do is the best way to validate what you claim in your profile description. It can also be an interesting way to learn which skills you need to enhance or learn from scratch in order to get jobs in a certain field of work. If English is not your first language, you can use the English tests indirectly to prove your ability to communicate. 5. Do 5 to 10 small assignments. Even when you're just starting out, you have to think long-term. Be honest, over-deliver, and grow your reputation. Start small by applying for assignments less than $50. Make sure they are given by clients with good feedback and who have spent a good deal of money on freelancers. You can then work towards a better rate of pay as you gain more experience and better feedback. To increase your chances of getting hired for these first projects, make sure to answer everything in the client's brief and say why you should be picked by referring to your skills and experience. 6. Create a portfolio. With the work you have done so far, see if you can add a few samples into the portfolio section of your profile so clients can get an idea of the work you do. Ideally, you want to showcase not only your best work, but your range of skills and project types. It's also worthwhile to regularly update your portfolio with new jobs as your career progresses. 7. Go for larger jobs. Larger assignments give you the chance to take on more jobs that are similar or to try something new. It's largely a matter of being strategic and using your existing clients as springboards to get more work. If you have established yourself as a highly skilled freelancer, your future prospects could include continuing in that role, creating and managing an agency, or taking your work offline, if you choose. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.